Hey everybody, and welcome to this video about how you can install XAMPP local web server to your computer. XAMPP is a cross-platform local web server environment that comes for both Windows and Linux and Mac OS X, and it is running PHP and MariaDB, which is a variant of the MySQL database. This is Windows machine, but you should select the particular installer for your OS. So I'm going to select for Windows here, and it's going to download it. It's around 150 megabyte. And now we can see the download is done, and we're just going to double click this one file there. It probably needs to be scanned by the virus scanner here. Yeah, and then we want to allow Windows to execute this program, and there should be an installation program in a minute here. When Windows, yeah, important, yeah, something with the user account control. We're going to accept that. This might not appear on a Mac, and there is this guide here how we install it, and then you can decide what you need for your installation here. Apache is, we're not able to deselect that. We're taking MySQL. We don't need the FTP server. We don't need Mercury, Tomcat. We need PHP. We don't need Perl. That is another programming language. We need PHPMyAdmin, Webalizer, we don't need that. So let's go for next, installation directory, XAMPP, and we don't need to learn more about Bitnami here. Next and next. So then it's going to install XAMPP, and it might take a few minutes, so I'm going to be back when it's done. Alright, so now we can see that XAMPP is almost done installing, and we need to allow the Apache web server, so we need to allow this in the Windows Defender firewall. So we click allow access, finish up here soon. Alright, setup has finished. Installing XAMPP on your computer. Do you want to start the control panel? Yeah, let's do that. Let's fire up this web server. So that's going to be, yeah, we can decide the language. We're going to take English, and this is the control panel for XAMPP. We have different modules or services we can start up, and we just have Apache and MySQL. That is the most important. So we're going to click on Start Apache, runs on port 80. We can change that if we want to do that. We're going to start the MySQL. It needs to run through the firewall as well, so we click Allow Access. And so both is green, and we're able to click the admin, and that should open up the dashboard for XAMPP. So now we have a working local web server running Apache and MariaDB, PHP and Perl, and we didn't select Perl for this installation, but you could do that. And yeah, we can click on PHP info to see that it is actually running. We're running PHP version 7.3.9. We also have PHPMyAdmin that will allow you to create databases if you want to install a CMS or other web applications. Alright, that was it for installing XAMPP on your computer. Thank you for watching. Have fun. Bye bye.